Welcome! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button right here in the middle. Press and hold it, keep holding it until you see the DIESEL On logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you probably will see the message on the screen, tap to begin. Basically tap on the screen. It will open the list of languages, and here you can select the language you want to use on your watch. So scroll through the list by swiping up and down on the screen, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to select it, for example, English. After you select the language, tap on the check mark to confirm. And now we need to download and install the Wear OS application on our phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search, type in Wear OS and tap on the search button. You should see this application, Wear OS by Google. Tap on the install button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, tap on the open button to open it. In the app, tap on start setup, tap on agree. Here you can agree to send the diagnostic data to Google if you want to. I'm gonna tap on no thanks. And now the app will start looking for the nearby devices, and it should detect your Axial watch right here. Tap on it to select it. Confirm the pairing by tapping on pair. Wait until the process is complete. Right here we can copy a Google account from our phone to our watch. So basically, if you want to use Google services on your watch like Play Store and stuff like that, you need to copy the Google account from your phone on your watch. And to do it, basically, you can enable or disable the account you want to copy. And once you enable it, you'll be able to tap on next, and then you can copy the account. If you don't want to do it, you can also tap on the skip button to skip this process. I'm just gonna copy one, so I'm gonna tap on next. Here, tap on copy. Now we need to enter the password for our account to prove that it's us. So I'm gonna tap right here, enter the password. And then we can tap on sign in to log in. After you log in, you will see more options, like for example, we can connect our watch to a Wi-Fi network. So basically it will copy the Wi-Fi networks from your phone and will connect them, the watch to one of the networks. You can tap on connect to the Wi-Fi network, or tap on skip to keep your watch disconnected. And then you can do it later on in settings if you want to. I'm gonna tap on connect. Next we have the permission for or to manage calls and SMS and stuff like that. So if you want to be able to view the messages from your phone on your watch and also maybe answer them, you need to allow the permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. To allow the permission, tap on next and allow the required permissions. And if you want to keep it disabled, tap on skip to skip this step. I'm gonna allow it, so I'm gonna tap on next, allow the required permissions, like this. Next we have the calendar permission. So basically, if you want to manage your calendar on your watch, your Google Calendar, you need to allow the calendar permission. If you don't care, you can deny it by tapping on skip button. I'm gonna tap on next and then tap on allow to allow the permission. And here we have the notification permission. So if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you need to allow the required permission. If you don't care, again, you can deny it and keep it disabled. To allow the permission, tap on allow. To keep it disabled, tap on skip. I'm gonna tap on allow. No, I think I missed it. Oh, never mind. If you tap on allow again, you will see that the Wear OS is on the allowed list. You can go back, and then you will see this page. Here, tap on next, tap on done, and now you should see your Axial watch right here in the app. You can wait until the setup is complete on your watch. Okay, this took a while. As you can see, it says you're all set. You will see the watch face of your watch, and at this point the watch is paired with your Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.